Welcome to StormQuant's Weather Viewer tutorial number 1, where we will focus on accessing the Weather Viewer program and opening viewports. The Weather Viewer is configured to open automatically upon computer startup. However, if it does not open, then select the StormQuant icon located on the desktop or pinned to the dashboard. As the program opens, you will first see a terminal window. Place your cursor on the title bar of the terminal window, right-click, and select Hide. This window runs in the background while the program is functioning. After 15 to 20 seconds, the main Weather Viewer window will open. The first step in visualizing data is accessing weather viewports. There are several options from this initial page. First, you can select the blue boxes to open a single or double viewport. Additional viewports can be added or deleted at any time. Below the blue boxes are Quicklinks to Workspaces. Workspaces are previously saved viewports with user settings. They will be covered in detail on a future tutorial. Another option is to open a viewport via the menu at the top of the page. Here we select the single blue viewport box, and a second menu opens with time and area options. Time submenus are for live or historic data. If you choose live, you will get the most recent radar volume scan and the previous scans within the duration you select. If you choose historic, a calendar menu opens. Here, you can adjust the day, month, year, and time of the data you wish to view. Note, all times are in Coordinated Universal Time, or UTC. There is also a clock icon on the right, which will open recently used dates and times available for quick selection. Click on the Confirm button to lock in the date and time. Next, adjust the duration of the desired data by sliding the toolbar. Then, choose the Select Area button to open the map. Place the cursor on the map and hold the left mouse button to drag it. Use the mouse wheel to zoom in or out. The drop-down menu on the right shows additional geographic regions. Access to radars in different regions may be limited. Below the regions are boxes to control the map size and center latitude and longitude. The radar coverage section lists available radars in the region. Click on the Select All button to get an approximation of radar coverage locations for all the radars. Moving the cursor over a radar on the list highlights that radar on the map. Placing the cursor on the map initiates a pop-up with the specific radars which cover that area. As you zoom in closer on the map, you will notice some radars on the list will be grayed out and not available. Shown here on the bottom right, grayed out radars do not have coverage over the area currently depicted on the map. Determine the radars you want to view and begin selecting them on the list. You can choose up to 5 radars at a time. Then, select the Confirm button on the bottom right. Notice the radars you selected are now listed in the Area section of the Viewport menu. With the time and area options complete, select the Confirm button. The viewport will open with the map area you selected. The default product is radar reflectivity. The top left of the viewport houses the weather data information box. The bottom of the viewport houses the volume control box showing the selected radars. Each of the rectangles represents a volume scan from the radar. Light blue represents the volumes visible on the screen. Dark blue represents volumes loaded on the system. Gray represents volumes which have yet to download from the server. Viewport options, overlays, and controls will be covered in another tutorial. Thank you for taking the next step with StormQuant.